What's up, Throdle? Do you want to check out a Porsche 356 and see how you can tell the difference between a replica and a real one? Well, keep on watching, as today you're in for a ride. Hi, I'm Nadine, the co-founder of Throdle, and today I'm in Windsor with Ketan.
Hi, I'm Ketan, and today we're going to be talking to you about my Porsche Speedster replica.
So show me one of the telltale signs that this is a replica.
So from the front, these horn grills aren't exactly correct, but you can't tell that straight off by looking at them. The side repeater lights here would be a glass repeater, so that's the way you can tell a replica. But then the main thing is the wheels. So if you're looking at the car from the outside,
Right.
you've got 8 holes on the wheels here.
Right.
And on a real Speedster, these holes are bigger and there's more of them, so there's 10.
Now, did you white wall this, or is...
Yeah, so I white wall the tyres. A standard car, a stock car, an original car would have regular black tyres.
Well, actually, because your interior is cream, this offsets it quite really nicely.
It does, it matches perfectly with the interior.
Okay.
The original car would have chrome wipers. It's one of those things, I just enjoy driving the car too much to bother changing minor details, because I'm not trying to pose as a real Speedster. If anybody asks, I always say it's a replica Speedster. This cover at the back here, this would be in more of a vinyl / leather type of material.
Yeah.
And it would also go straight from here to the other side rather than this curve.
Curving.
This is the way you can tell. The dash trim is different here. The leather comes down flat on the dash.
Right.
But on a real one, there's an extra piece of trim that goes across here, and it's covered in leather. There are minor telltale signs, and it's one of those things you can, spend a lot of time, money and effort to get it exactly like a replica, but it's never going to be a real Porsche. So, I just like the fact it's a pretty car. It's a practical car to own, because it's only 7 years old, and I did a 3,000-mile trip around Europe in the car, and it's just, I bought it for the driving enjoyment rather than the fact that it's a real classic car.
Okay. So before we move on, tell me a little bit about the badges that I'm seeing here. What are these?
So some of these badges, these 2 badges came with the car. Obviously it was a German car, so this is where you've got the German connection, and the car was made in California.
Yeah.
Hence the California Alta region on there. And the GB badge I had to put on the car, because when you go to drive the car to Europe, you have to display that you're from Great Britain.
So what might you do next?
Considering getting overriders for the car, which were an option before.
Yeah, they would come out right here, wouldn't they?
They would come up here. You get 2 here and 2 in the front, which will give the car just a slightly masculine look.
You're worried about the color not looking masculine enough.
Yeah, so we're going to make up for it in other ways. As time goes on, if the wheels need replacing, I will replace them with the original set of wheels, so the 10 holes are correct.
So if this is a replica, what type of engine is in here?
So inside here is a VW Beetle engine, and a 1900cc. If you pull that lever there,
oh, okay.
so it's tiny. It's tiny, but because the car is fiberglass predominantly, it gives the car enough power to do, it'll do 100 miles an hour.
And is this air-cooled?
It's air-cooled.
Oh, very nice. So it must make some amazing noises.
It does make a good, really nice sound. It sounds a lot loud. It sounds a lot faster than it actually is.
And speaking about that, what's the performance like? So can you go above 100 or?
100, you're pushing it. 100, you're pushing it. It will cruise happily at 80 miles an hour. 1995 to take over for overtaking, but 100, because the tyres are so thin, it's a little scary.
Okay, well, how about we check it out then? Why don't you take me for a ride?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's go.
I took it on a 3,000-mile road trip around Europe.
Oh, really? Where'd you go?
So, went to first stop Paris, Monaco, Pisa, Florence, Lake Como, Zurich through the Swiss Alps, Stuttgart, and then back through France and home.
Were you at all worried that, you might have any mechanical failures or anything when you were traveling?
My mechanic basically gave me a kit of things that if something does go wrong, I had, even down to a clutch cable that a roadside repair person could replace. It's a trip I've always wanted to do, but the car was just amazing, and it didn't feel like I was alone, because everywhere I went, I'd meet people just because of the car. And in the 17 days I was away, I probably dined on my own maybe 2 or 3 times.
Now, what have you named this car?
So the car, she has her own hashtag. It's a she. The car's called Priscilla.
Okay.
Hashtag is Priscilla356.
And what does Priscilla stand for?
I'm a massive Elvis fan. Some may say obsessed, but the car's named after, obviously, Priscilla Presley.
Thanks, Ketan. I had such a fun time with the top down on this sunny London day. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we upload something new. Because what's coming next is a 1968 Alfa Romeo GTV, and you are not going to want to miss that. So thanks for watching, and join us next time as Throdle's driving connections and fueling experiences.